Hi everyone. So today we're going to learn prompt engineering, the only AI skill you need in 2025. So if you're learning one right skill now in 2025, it should be prompt engineering. Why? Because AI is replacing people, AI is replacing who don't know how to control it. And today, in this free 20-minute masterclass, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. We have chapters like the rise of prompt engineering, foundation of high quality prompting, advanced prompt structures and frameworks, advanced prompt structuring techniques, so much more. Let me explain prompt engineering in the simplest way possible. It's not about writing fancy English, it's about giving AI the right instructions so it performs like an expert. Imagine you hired a personal assistant. If you say write something for me, they'll get confused. But if you say write a 150 word Instagram caption about fitness in a motivational tone targeted to 18 to 30-year-old, now the assistant know what exactly to do. That is prompt engineering, turning vague tasks into clear instructions. This is a PDF I made especially for prompt engineers. You can get it in the link in my bio. It will be in the description. Let's talk about how prompts work. AI doesn't guess what you want. It articulates the most accurate answer based on your structure. There are five elements you must include in a very good prompt. First thing, you should assign the role to AI. Tell AI who to become. Then give AI the task. Tell it what to do. Then give it the context. Give background details. Then give it the examples. Show what you want. Then the format, in which format you want to deliver the output. So, introduction, why prompt engineering matters today. Artificial intelligence has rapidly shifted from a niche search field to one of the most powerful technologies reshaping society. With the rise of large language models, LLMs, like GPT-5, Claude, Gemini, and Llama, Grok, you name it, this skill has become the foundation of modern digital work. Prompt engineering, this is not merely typing into a chatbot. It is the science plus art of communicating with AI systems to produce high quality outputs, automated workflows, complex reasoning, professional level creative work, business ready solutions. Prompt engineering is quickly turning into a career, a business skill, a productivity multiplier, and a gateway to AI powered future. The chapter will introduce what prompt engineering is, why it matters, how to evolve, job and business opportunities, the future of human plus AI collaboration. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the process of designing inputs that guide AI models towards specific high quality results. The professional definition, prompt engineering is the strategic development of structured context rich instruction that enable LLMs to understand intent, apply reasoning, follow constraints, use frameworks, automate tasks, generate expert level outputs. The deeper truth, prompts are not just instructions, they are interfaces, new form of programming language using natural human language. Just like coding allowed humans to instruct computers, prompt allow humans to instruct intelligence. We look at the evolution of prompt engineering. At first, we were like giving basic prompts to these LLMs, like write an email, explain this topic. Then more structured prompting, like role prompting, chain of thought prompting, few shot prompting, persona based prompting, outputs become more reliable and professional. AI become multimodal and strong in reasoning. New techniques emerged, system prompts, autonomous agents, notebook style reasoning, API level prompting, multi step prompting, AI function calling. Then the stage 4, AI collaborators. Prompt engineering is becoming a business tool, a co working skill, a full profession, a key part of AI native workflows. Companies now hire AI workflow engineers, automation specialists, prompt designers, AI content engineers, AI trainers. You're entering the field in a perfect time. Like, l- let's imagine, let's generate a marketing email. We'll give a prompt like, you are a professional email copywriter. We are giving the AI, telling the AI who the AI is. Then the task, write a cold email to a real estate developer explaining how my AI automation can help reduce cost and save time. Then we'll give the AI the context. We automate email responses, client follow ups, and CRM updates. Then the format, short, clear, and convincing. Now, in seconds, you get something that would normally take 20 minutes. That's how we should work with AI while giving the prompts. Then, why prompt engineering is the most important skill of the decade? AI amplifies human capability. Prompt engineering multiplies your output 5 into faster writing, 10 into faster research, 20 into more creative ideas, 100 into more automation potential. It works across every industry. AI prompting is used in marketing, content creation, customer support, software development, business automation, research, and data analysis. It is one of the few skills useful everywhere. Creates income opportunities. People earn money with prompt engineering by automating tasks for businesses, building AI powered products, freelancing AI services, consulting, teaching, system design, workflow building, much more. How humans and AI should work together. Prompt engineering is not about replacing humans, it's about upgrading humans. All the AI not going to make you lose your job, but make it better and easy. AI brings speed, automation, memory, creativity, reasoning, multitasking. Human bring judgment, taste, and ethics. Intent, final decision, emotional intelligence. Together they form a super team. What makes a good prompt engineer? A great prompt engineer has clear thinking. Your prompt is only good as your understanding. Ability to break down tasks. Complex tasks require step by step instructions. Curiosity. You must experiment. Creativity. Good prompts require imagination. And the structure. You must organize thoughts clearly when you're giving this prompt inputs. Persistence. AI rewards consistent refinement. Things you do not need a coding background or a technical degree, high level English, or expensive tools. Just strategy plus practice can make you earn a lot in this field. And the future of prompt is driven by 2030. 80% of digital work will involve AI. 60% of workers will use AI assistants. New careers such as AI process designers and prompt architect will be common. Most businesses will use AI to automate tasks. The people who know how to communicate with AI will control the value. This book will ensure you are one of them. I made this PDF for all of you guys. It's in the description again. You can go and download it and learn it all by yourself and become a master. Like 6 ways to make money with prompt engineering. Freelancing. Freelancing on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, or selling prompt packs. Make prompt packs for businesses. Top 100 business prompts for passive income. Automation services, AI workflows for small businesses, social media management using AI, bulk content creation, virtual assistant with AI, charge like $300 to $600 per month, and consulting, teaching businesses how to use AI properly. So, this is why prompt engineering is a career. Let's move on to the advanced techniques. If you want AI to give you expert level answers, use these techniques. We should use frameworks to train AI and get relevant outputs. Why frameworks matter? Frameworks give you predictable results, repeatable workflows, faster outputs, higher quality responses, professional structure, control over tone, depth, and style. Beginners write prompts, experts design systems. This chapter teaches you both the power of frameworks of prompt engineering. These are the frameworks used by professionals. As you can see in the screen, there are 10 structured frameworks to write prompt. Let's move on and see what them. CRISP framework. This is the most used framework. First, we'll give the context to AI, then assign the role, then instruction, then steps it should follow, then parameters, then examples. This is the perfect all purpose prompt. Here we have the example. Context here is the background. Role act as an. You can put the input act as an executive officer or act as an particular writer. Then you give the instructions. Your task is to build this by this time to this length. Then steps. Follow these steps. What steps they should follow. Then the parameters like tone, length, style. Then examples. This is how you give a proper prompt to any LLMs. Then the next structure is rake structure, used for business and consulting. Its role, action, knowledge, expectations. Here is the rake template. Role you are, action your main task is to, knowledge you use these inputs, data, and context, and expectation. Rake is extremely powerful for market research, competitor breakdowns, business planning, technical documentation, SOP creation. The other structure is art prompting, assignment, requirement, tone or target, art template, assignment, create this requirements, include this type of things, avoid this type of things, focus on this particular things. Tone target, target this audience, tone be in a mild tone, sound happy. This and all you can give the input to AI. Use this for blogs, ads, video scripts, brand voice building. The next framework is the Prism framework. It is used when the task involves multiple variables. We'll give the P for purpose, R for requirements, I for input, S for steps, M for model output format. Here you can see the Prism template, purpose, the goal is requirements, the necessary requirements, input data, steps, model output format, produce output as this. Works best, this structure works best for automation workflows and API planning, multi-stage business tasks, and system design. Then three-layer system prompting used in chatbots and agents. This is how advanced chatbots are built. Identity, who the AI is, layer 2 personality plus rules, how the AI behaves, layer 3 task logic plus output rules, what the AI must do. Three-layer template. System identity, you are an AI agent specialized in personality rules, always, never, maintain tone, like rules we can give to AI. Then task logic, when the user asks X, respond with Y. Follow output format. This structure is used for customer support bots, WhatsApp chatbots, workflow agents, SOP driven assistants. Then IRO framework, instruction reasoning output. This forces the model to think before answering. Here's the IRO template. You're giving the instruction, your task is this, the reasoning, think step by step and explain your approach. Output, give the final answer in this type of field, this type of file, or in a PDF. You can give this type of inputs. IRO boosts output quality significantly. Then spear prompting. Spear means setup, purpose, execution logic, actions, response format. In this format, you will first give the setup. You are an automation AI. Purpose, automate this task and this task. Execution logic, if you put X, let's get the output. Do Y. If input is said, let's get the output. Do W. Actions, use frameworks, generate scripts, like that. Response format, return data as HTML file, CSS file, you name it. The next framework is PREP framework. Point, reason, example, point again. This is best for business explanations, strategy recommendations, and consulting level insights. Then multi-shot pattern training. AI learns by example. This framework uses multiple samples to create patterns. Example 1, input to output. Example 2, input and output. Example 3, give input should be like this and the output should be like this. If you are giving it like 3 example and now generate with these examples what you want to know. This type of prompt is multi-shot pattern training. This is great for style training, voice replication, structured templates, code patterns. Then meta prompting. This is one of the most powerful techniques. You ask AI generate a first version, critique it, improve it, then repeat. Meta prompt template. Step 1, generate the output. Step 2, analyze weaknesses. Step 3, improve. Step 4, repeat until high quality. Now you will get more quality output using this structure. Then combining frameworks. This is the pro level prompt engineering trick where you combine one or more frameworks to get more structured and quality outputs. Secrets plus IRO used for structure and reasoning. Rake plus prep, consulting quality business writing. Prism plus speed, automation agent design. 3-layer plus multi-shot, chatbot with consistent behavior. This is how you build an enterprise level prompt structure. So if you want A to give expert level answers, use the techniques like chain of thought prompting, explain your reasoning step by step, persona injection, make AI behave like a particular expert, style consistency memory, tell AI to use the same style every time, and output boundaries, limit words, structure, and tone. Then long context feeding. AI performs better with rich details. Let's see a prompt. You are my business strategist. We are giving the AI a role. Now, task your job. Create a 30-day content plan for a digital marketing agency. Include daily post idea, caption, keywords, purpose of post, formatting table. See how powerful this prompt is? This is the skill that companies want right now. If you enjoyed this 20-minute masterclass, imagine learning this step by step structured way with live classes, templates, assignments, and real world projects. I'm launching a 4-week prompt engineering mastery course where I personally train you master prompt engineering, automate tasks, build AI systems, create an earning portfolio, start freelancing. The link is in the description to join the classes. So don't wait. This is the hottest skill and 2026 is coming. Let's learn. If you want more free lessons, hit like button, subscribe and turn on notification. Comment A below and I'll reply with a free prompt pack. My name is Giftage. See you in the next video. and welcome to the future of AI. Learn with Kamik.